Hello UK lock spots and fellow pickers. Here I've got the lockwood that Nev sent me all the way from Australia. Thank you very much, Nev. As you can see, it's locked up. It's got quite a weird keyway though. I'll be using bottom of the keyway tensioning, which is a bit weird for me because I don't usually like using it that way. And I'll be using my Peterson gem. So there we go. Sorry, I'll have to read. It's a weird keyway. What I've got to do, I've got to like go around like that with my pick. I've got a slight drop in the plug again. Just gonna turn it a bit towards me. I think I've got one more pin to go here. By far, it's not an easy lock to pick. There you go, success on the lockwood. Right, and I'll be gutting this lock. So if you can just bear with me for a second. Yeah, here I'm back. I'm gonna try and gut it. This is the second gutting I'm ever doing on video. It's an old lockwood this, but instead of a circlip, it's got it screwed in. So that's another sign of a great quality lock. So forgive me for that. Now, I'm just gonna get my follower. One sec. I'll just put the so you can see what's actually going on. Yeah, and put this here. Right, follow up. There we go. Got the follower. Hopefully, don't want to be screwing this up. There we go. So here's the pins. Here's the cord of it. We got all regular pins. They're all regular pins, these. Focus. Focus, bit high, low. No, actually, they're not regular. They've got slight taper on them. Right, slightly tapered. Here we go. I'm really sorry about longing this video out, because like I said, I'm not used to gutting on camera. First one is a regular pin. Second one, another regular pin. Oops. Third one, regular pin. Fourth one, regular pin. Fifth one, regular pin. One second, I'll just let it focus in for you. One second. As you can see, the pins, them are the pins at the bottom there, and they're all regular pins. If you can see them, I don't know, I've got the camera turned around. This is a new phone, so I don't know how I'm not really used to using it. Them are the pins there. Thank you.